So welcome guys to another video. In this video, I'm gonna be chugging Grape Crush. Here to drink. I'm gonna try this without burping. This is a 20 ounce. So this might be harder than just doing a can of this. So yeah, let's get into it. So like, subscribe, and turn up the notifications on. See all my uploads when I upload. So yeah, let's get into it, man. I should have waited, because this thing is literally ice cold.
What's up guys, just Chris, just gonna pop in and say that he always stops chugging right like 3 seconds after he starts chugging, and then he always says that it's fridge cold or it's ice cold. So if you guys haven't seen his videos, just gonna say that's what happens every time, literally.
God, this is so cold, man. This is really cold. This is so cold. I feel like I'm drinking like some out of the freezer, man. I'm like drinking a Yeti's pee, bro. But the Yeti's pee is like black. I like the design on these new crushes. I really like the code red, the new code red thing. I really like that design, but I'm stalling because this is so cold. And my stomach is already hurting. I gotta push through, man. It's only taking me longer because I feel like if this was warm, I'd be fine. It's almost gone. Oh, bro, I can't even. I'm trying to make these entertaining and funny, but this is, it's like I'm sipping from like straight out of like. I'm trying to think of like a hero or something that has like ice powers, and I'm sipping right out of his like, come on, boom, I burp. Oh. I guess this is I guess I'm having the rest of this for just a drink, which is fine. Come on, bro. Didn't even finish the drink. I didn't even finish the drink, bro. I didn't even finish the drink. I literally did not finish the drink. So I think I cleared the camera out, but didn't even finish the drink, bro. I literally got more than halfway and I burped trying. I told you my stomach was hurting. This is why these drinks, sodas, are hard. I'm not a professional chugger, so chugging these things is difficult. Did you hear that far? I hope you did, because that's what this crush is doing to me, man. This BS. I lost the challenge, okay? I won the last 2 challenges. I lost this one, okay? This is just showing that these videos are not faked. Like, because you guys probably think, like, I'm making myself burp and I probably can hold in a burp. Nah, burps hurt to hold in, okay? It's just like a laugh. Like, laughing, it doesn't literally hurt. It just, like, you want to laugh. But you can't because you're doing, like, a challenge or something. I'm burping again.
Gonna catch me riding dirty.